Hello, welcome. Let's look at these JAMB past questions, biology 2018. Question number 34. A state in Nigeria that is most susceptible to desert encroachment is A. Kwara, B. Taraba, C. Kaduna, D. Katsina. Now, for us to be able to understand this and answer it accurately, we need to know that the states that should be susceptible to desert encroachment has to have a weather that is dry and with hot temperature and encourages low vegetation. So which of the following states has such weather? We all know that Kwara is around, if this is Nigeria, okay, let me draw the map of, let me draw something that looks like the map of Nigeria. This is the map of Nigeria, and here is the east, where we have the Igbo people, and here is the west, where we have the Yorubas, and here is the north, where we have the houses. We know that we have Kwara states around here, and we have Kaduna around here, and we have Taraba around here, and then we have Katsina around here. And we know that the northern part of Nigeria is where we have low vegetation, where we could have desert encroachment. Down these other areas, especially here where we have the rainforest region, there is lesser likelihood of desert encroachment. But in Katsina is said to be within the Sahel savanna. So this area where Katsina is known as the Sahel savanna. So this is the Sahel savanna region. The Sahel savanna is a vegetation that is characterized by low. This Sahel savanna is characterized by low vegetation or low vegetation growth. You understand? And there is also, because of what causes this low vegetation growth is actually because this area has low rainfall as well as high temperature. So there is high temperature in this area and there is low rainfall, and this causes low vegetation, and because there is low vegetation there is this susceptibility to desert encroachment, and that makes Katsina D the right answer to this problem. Thank you.